If you love the idea of a classic Irish dinner but don't want a sink full of pots and pans, this one's for you. This Irish Banger Skillet Dinner is a simple one-pan meal that's hearty, satisfying, and ready in about 30 minutes. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest, and I share quick, modern family recipes made with simple ingredients. Drizzle oil in a hot skillet and add the Irish sausages. They're called bangers because they used to pop in the pan when you'd cook them. Now we add some shredded cabbage and some sliced red potatoes. Just lay them across the cabbage. And then add rings of onion. This layered skillet dinner will start to cook and caramelize on the bottom and soften the vegetables on the top. So we're adding another layer of cabbage and potatoes and finishing with carrots, a little bit of fresh thyme, and some chicken stock. Season it with salt and pepper. Then just put the lid on and we're going to let it cook for a bit. About 10 minutes should do, and you can stir it every so often. After the 10 minutes, add the sausages back into the pan and just nestle them into the vegetables. If there's any accumulated juices, please add them back to the pan. That's flavor. Also, if it's a little dry, you can add a bit more stock. That's it, a quick and easy Irish dinner your family will love. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest, sharing quick and easy family meals made with simple, everyday ingredients.